Hey everyone, it's been a while since I did a cooking video, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own garlic bread. Now in one of the previous videos, I made regular garlic bread, but if you don't have it, here's how you can make your own. First you're going to need bread, of course, and then you're going to need butter, then spread it on. Now you're going to need garlic powder, garlic salt, and that's pretty much it. Afterwards, grab a little more butter and then spread it all around evenly so you get a nice mixed taste and texture. And you can also cook this. How you cook it is up to you. You could put it in a toaster, preferably before you put the stuff on it. And you can also put it in the microwave, or you could cook it on the stove, however you want. I don't think I'm going to cook mine. You can eat it raw if you want to. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.